Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to delete your Instagram account on a device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So if you have already downloaded your Instagram, you can directly open your Instagram account, tap on Instagram account and go to your profile icon. Visit your profile icon, which is located at the very bottom right of this page. Click on this and here is your profile. Before deleting your account, you need to know the most important thing. There is the difference between deactivate your account temporarily or delete your account permanently. You need to first know the difference between this. Deactivate means you can hide your accounts and come back later. Delete means it permanently delete everything forever, no recovery, it's gone forever. You cannot recover your account later by deleting your account. So first you must know the difference and then only you can go ahead. Now to delete your Instagram account permanently or to deactivate your account temporarily, you need to go to your profile settings, which is you need to click on this option, 3-line option, which is at the very top right of the corner page. Go to this and from here you can see the option account center at the very top. Click on this account center and visit to the option like personal details. Click on this personal details and from here click on the option account ownership and control. Go to the account ownership and control option, which is at the very last. Click on this and here the option is memorialization and deactivation or deletion. Click on the option deactivation and deletion and from here which account you want to delete or deactivate. Now I simply randomly click on the option this my running account and from here you can see deactivate your account, meaning deactivating your account is temporary and it means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it and through account center or by logging into your Instagram account. And delete account mean deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. If you had just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. I would suggest you to deactivate your account rather than deleting your account, but if you still want to delete your account, you can just click on the option delete account, which is second option. You simply tap on the circle option and tapping on the circle option you can simply tap on the option continue and you can delete your account permanently from your device. And to deactivate you can just simply tap on the first option and tap on the option continue and deactivate your account for a while and take a break from social medias like Instagram and all. So that's how you can just deactivate or delete your account from your device on Instagram. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video. Thank you.